Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss CLEP Diksha e-content creation portfolio. Before going to start our today's session, I request all my viewers, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please go for subscribing my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my latest informative videos on your YouTube. And if you like my video, then please press the like button and share my videos as much as you can. Support me, encourage me by subscribing my channel. So without wasting your valuable time, let's get started. This is portfolio activity. Write a plan for teaching a topic with the help of e-content in Diksha. Means we have to choose a particular topic which really needs the help of e-content, digital content, to teach the students in an effective manner. Effective utilization of Diksha. We should make a plan before presentation. How do we plan? Teacher have to identify the content topic for area in which he needed digital content. Means we have to choose a particular topic which really needs e-content to teach the students in an effective way. Search the various resources like videos, interactives, assessments related to the topic in Diksha and select the suitable digital content as per standard level of the student. So here, after choosing a particular topic, we need to build up resources like videos, interactives, assessment related to the topic. Third point, download the selected content in mobile or tab from Diksha application for offline usage to avoid the network connectivity issues. Arrange the physical resources like mobile phones, tab, projector, laptops to play the content as per the availability. So whatever the physical resources are available in our school like mobile phones, tabs, projector, laptops, so we should use them in order to teach the students effectively. Give the basic information needed for the topic in order to understand the video or interactive. So before going to present the session, we need to provide basic information related to the topic to the students. During the presentation, play the selected content by scanning the QR code or with dial code, shared link or offline downloaded content. So in this stage, a teacher will start the session. Pause the video or digital content and interact with the children and explore their answers wherever we need. Meanwhile, we have to pause the video for a few seconds in order to elicit the responses from the students, explore their answers wherever we need, encourage the students to ask more questions from their side and express their views. Here we allow the students to ask more questions related to the topic, and for each question we have to clarify them. Choose individual or group or all class assessment activity according to the number of children and availability of digital infrastructure. After the presentation, encourage the children to participate in constructive discussion and elicit the conclusions on the given topic. So here we allow the students to participate in the discussion and elicit the conclusion of the topic from their side. Assign homework, worksheet, assessments and projects related to the topic as per necessary. Send assessment links to the students who has accessibility. Here I have chosen a topic that is wild animal for second class children. I tried to teach the children with the help of digital content in order to provide them realistic experience, live experience, so that they can understand well. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share my videos. Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all fine today. Children, today we are going to learn one of the wild animals in the forest. Do you guess which animal is it? Yes, it's a tiger. Have you seen tiger in your life before? No? No problem. Today I will show you a tiger. Are you ready to see? Yes, see. This is the tiger. This is the tiger. How is it? Yes, it looks good, right? Children's, tigers are found in dense forest. They live in chaos. You know one thing, a small tiger is called a cub, right? See, what is the color of tiger? Yes, the color of tiger is yellow. And see the black strips on its body. Yes, yeah, black strips on its body. Children, tiger hunts and eats other animals. You know, they are very powerful animals. They are very strong. Yes. Do you know one interesting thing? Tiger is a good swimmer. Tiger is a good swimmer. They swim a lot. They swim very well. Right? Yes. All the tigers are belong to cat family. Cat family. And tiger is called as a national animal of India. Remember this one. Children, today we knew so many things about tiger, isn't it? Yes. Before going to end the class, I will ask you few questions. You need to answer me. Are you ready? Yes. First, what is the color of tiger? Very simple question. Yes. The color of tiger is yellow and black strips on its body. Children, tell me, tigers are belong to which family? Yes, they are belong to cat family, right? Children, where do they live? Yes, they live in dense forest, chaos. And which animal is called as a national animal of India? Yes, it's a tiger. Children, I hope you enjoy the lesson and all the best. Thank you.